If you use Opera and want your downloads to go straight into a different folder, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change the default download folder in Opera in just a few steps. This is super useful if you want to keep your files more organized, save downloads to a specific drive, or separate work files from personal files. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Opera on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the Easy Setup icon. This is the icon that looks like 3 horizontal sliders. Click that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. Once the slide out menu appears, scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the very bottom, you'll see an option that says, Go to Full Browser Settings. Click that to open Opera's main settings page. Now you'll be on the full settings screen, where you can control a lot of the browser's behavior. Scroll down through the page until you find the Downloads section. This is where Opera keeps the settings for file downloads, including the default save location. Under Downloads, you'll see the current folder path listed next to location. To change it, click the Change button beside location. After that, a folder selection window will open. Now browse through your computer and choose the folder where you want Opera to save downloads from now on. You can pick an existing folder or create a new one if you want a dedicated downloads location. Once you've selected the folder, click Select Folder to confirm your choice. That's it. Opera will now use your new folder as the default download location. Any files you download from this point forward will go directly into that folder instead of the old one. This is a simple change, but it can make a huge difference when it comes to staying organized and finding your files faster. If you ever want to switch it again later, just follow the same steps and pick a new location. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more browser tips and computer tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.